What's up, guys, man? Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all 3 tips.
Championships, not one, championships.
Not two.
LeBron, tell us about that.
Not two.
Yeah, 3 tips that help maximize and keep your results after a long wolf. So if you're really interested in learning how to keep your ways and your progress after a long wolf, just stay tuned, and I'm going to be giving y'all 3 important tips that I do to keep my ways looking the best way that they can possibly be. Step 1, grab a soft brush. Please look, most people, they are afraid to grab a soft brush after a haircut because people have put in their mind that after you get a haircut, you can't brush your hair. And this is a lot because you have a lot of dead hairs, on top of your hair. And plus, it ain't gonna mess up your line unless your barber didn't do a good job of like your line just is gonna be messed up anyway if you didn't do no good job. So you can brush. Try to brush for at least until you see all the dead hairs. Until you see all the dead hairs gone. You know what I'm saying? So just grab a soft brush. Just the first step. Brush your hair until all the dead hairs are gone. One of the most important steps, step number 2. Grab a good oil. Yes, get an oil, you know what I'm saying? You don't gotta use that much. Just make sure that you disperse it evenly, you know what I'm saying, throughout your whole hair. After you get done, after I brush, you know what I'm saying? Then after I put my oil in, I use Jamaican black castor oil. After I put my oil in my hair, I just go in and brush it in so it can evenly distribute all the way through my whole head. So yes, make sure that you, first step, I went over soft brush. It don't matter what kind, just a soft brush could be, the one you got from Dollar General, Walmart, Torino Pro. It really don't matter. Just make sure you have a good soft brush because soft brushes are your best friend when you get a fresh haircut, and also a good oil that you use, you know what I'm saying, to help maximize your results after a fresh cut. Of course, step number 3, the last but most important step that most people forget to do, unless you're going out somewhere you want to show off the fresh cut, of course show off the fresh cut. But if you're not going out, make sure you grab a fresh, I'm talking about a fresh silky do-rag. You know what I'm saying? You can see this is, I really pretty much just opened this. It's fresh, you know what I'm saying? You don't want no do-rag that got all that old oils or residue in it, you know what I'm saying? You want a fresh do-rag, you know what I'm saying? So you can rag up and make sure that you keep your hair fresh and clean, you know what I'm saying? And that's very good, a fresh silky do-rag. Make sure it's a good silk, you know what I'm saying? I got this from So Many Ways do-rag. You can get it from Amazon, pretty much any website that you feel comfortable with ordering from, that you order with from before. It don't have to be no So Many Ways. It can be any silk do-rag that you use from the beauty supply store, anyone, you know what I'm saying? Just as long as you're comfortable with it, you know what I'm saying? It looks good to you and it feels good on your head, you know what I'm saying? It's good material. That's all you really need, you know what I'm saying? You don't need all that extra stuff that people be talking about. People just be going on and on about stuff. It's stuff that you really don't need, honestly. So you know what I'm saying? I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Those are my 3 steps to maximize and keep your results after a fresh haircut. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm out. If y'all did, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be uploading more videos. I don't have a schedule yet, but once I get my schedule down pat, I will be telling y'all my schedule, you know what I'm saying? Y'all did, like I said, subscribe, like it, leave a comment, and yeah, I'm out.